Hello guys, today I would like to show you how to use aggregation function like SUMIFS in Excel. So we would like to aggregate net amount per uh, mapping, like to select sales and select some part of the year like 2024, for example. Um, let's build first new measure. It will be sales, and it function calculate sum net amount, and here we have like sum of all the column net amount, and we should add filter, the same table, and here we should add column for which we will filter it. So it's column mapping sales. Let's show what we have. Here we have sales, and this is net amount. So this is column, and this some part of this. Okay, we select only sales. Let's clean some, make it categorical, markers and data labels. Like millions, zero. Yes, this is our sales. And now I would like to add another one parameter and filter it only 2024. Let's add it here. The same filter, but with column year, and say 2024. And here we have only 2024. That's so simple.